Today's video is regarding sildenafil, which comes under the brand name of Viagra, and is used to treat erectile dysfunction, which can be defined as an inability to achieve or maintain an erection. In this video we will discuss how Viagra works, its dose, how to use, its important instruction before use, and possible side effects. Viagra works by relaxing the blood vessels and increasing blood flow into your penis, thus causing an erection. It comes mostly in 3 strengths, 25, 50, and 100 milligrams tablet. Let's see how to use this tablet. Viagra normally takes between 30 to 60 minutes to start working in the body. Take 1 tablet, approximately 1 hour before sexual activity. Swallow the tablet whole with water. Viagra can be taken with or without food, but it's more effective when taken empty stomach. The effect of Viagra can last from 4 to 6 hours in the body. Note: do not take more than 1 tablet in a day. Some important instruction related to this medicine are: Viagra will only help you achieve an erection if you are sexually aroused or having desired for sex. Do not take this medicine with grapefruit or grapefruit juice, because this can affect how the medicine works. Do not use alcohol while taking this medicine. Side effects of this medicine include headache, nausea, indigestion, stuffy nose, dizziness, facial flushing, hot flush, blurred vision, visual disturbance. Keep Viagra in a cool, dry place where the temperature stays below 30 degrees Celsius. If you have any question or suggestion, just drop below, we will answer that.